Welcome to our drone comparison video. Today we are diving into a showdown between two remarkable drones, the DJI Neo 3-battery combo and the FPV drone. The DJI Neo is known for its advanced features and 4K video capabilities, while the FPV drone offers a budget-friendly option for beginners with its 2K HD camera. Let's explore what each drone has to offer and find out which one is the best choice for you. When it comes to price, the DJI Neo 3-battery combo is positioned as a premium option at $289, while the FPV drone is an affordable choice at just $89. This significant price difference reflects the advanced features and capabilities of the DJI Neo, making it more suitable for serious users, whereas the FPV drone is perfect for those just starting out. In terms of camera quality, the DJI Neo stands out with its 4K UHD video capabilities, allowing for stunning, high-resolution footage. On the other hand, the FPV drone offers a 2K HD camera, which is sufficient for casual use, but does not match the clarity and detail provided by the DJI Neo. This makes the DJI Neo a better choice for vloggers and those seeking professional quality video. Flight time is another crucial factor to consider. The DJI Neo boasts an impressive total flight time of up to 54 minutes, thanks to its 3 included batteries, making it ideal for extended shooting sessions. In contrast, the FPV drone offers a total flight time of approximately 26 minutes with its 2 batteries. For users who prioritize longer flight durations, the DJI Neo is the clear winner. In conclusion, both the DJI Neo and the FPV drone have their unique strengths. The DJI Neo is perfect for those looking for high-quality video and advanced features, while the FPV drone is an excellent choice for beginners on a budget. We hope this comparison helped you decide which drone suits your needs best. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more drone reviews.